when you order this stuff, you got to be looking out for corrosion in the metal. Under there, you can see quite a bit of gunk, oxidation, etc. And we're going to clean this up. Toothbrush and hit that with the baking soda, going carefully in around those teeth. And get in that knurling that you see there, that beautiful design. That toothbrush is really helpful for getting in the knurling and go each way around the different grooves or designs in the knurling to get out decades of junk. For a little bit more lubrication, I'll also mix in some liquid dish soap in combination with the baking soda. And that makes up a really nice lubricating paste in getting in those hard to reach areas. For other hard to reach places, a Q-tip can come in handy. Finishing rinse. Because this razor has pivots on the blade cover there, I've applied a couple drops of 3-in-1 oil and worked that into those pivots. She's really cleaned up very nicely using the baking soda soap mixture. Ever ready, single edge, made in USA, solid brass razor dating from 1930 to 1933. Are any of you guys vintage shavers? Please post your comments below. And thanks for watching.